Hello and welcome back to GT Racer. Now it's been many months since last time I made a video. Why? Mostly because I've been working a lot and also my garage has been occupied by my brother. He has a couple of cars too and he's been doing some big repairs on two old Mercedes. Yeah, well, we only have one garage and me and my brother is fighting about it. I really need to buy a new garage for me only. But today I'm actually doing just a short video, just to say hello again. And if you're thinking about the blue screen behind me, so it has no purpose at all. It's just my wife did some video and she needed the blue screen, and I'm like, oh, the tripod is here, I can just do a quick video. Never mind that. Today I'm going shopping because I realize I need a lot of new equipment. The first thing I need some sort of welding equipment. So I will go and find a MIG because I know that MIG is very easy to do welding with. I also need some other tools too. I will see what I can find. I have actually on the GT now, I have a leakage from my exhaust. And I need to do it, the yearly control, what do you call it, MOT in UK, I think. I don't know what you call it in like America, like in USA. Never mind, we do it here too, of course. Every year you have to go in and control the car, and I have a leakage in my exhaust, and I cannot get it through it, so I need to fix that. Maybe I need to do some welding, or I can repair it quickly with the exhaust bandages that you can wrap around if it's leaking a little bit in one of the connections, and then they heat, or from the heat of the exhaust they get hardened and hold it. So maybe that or welding. Never mind, I need to buy welding equipment anyway, so tomorrow too I will maybe go and look to buy a new car, extra car too. I'm looking to buy actually a Fiat Coupe. Yeah, the 2-liter engine, turbo, 16 valves engine. Maybe I will show you some pictures tomorrow if I go for that. Well, never mind. Let's go now to the big town and do some buying. Now inside of Biltema. It's like a whole warehouse full of things, cars, boats, bicycles, toys even. But let's go towards the chemicals. Now we're at chemicals, but I think I'm looking for the silicone spray. And here we have a very low price silicone spray. I need to use it for my bushes that are gnarking a little bit on the Alfa. So I'll try to buy these and spray them, and hopefully it will gnark a little bit less. And here we have a lot of silencer for exhaust systems, different sizes, 90mm, 60s, and everything you need. And on the other side too, of course. But right here I'm looking for this one. Exhaust bandages, wrappings, and I maybe also need this is a bandage to repair if you have gas leakage. I think I will try one of these and hopefully it works, so I can get the car through the MOT, the control. And maybe I'll buy some exhaust wraps too. I don't know why. It's not like I have a race car, I only have a 2-liters, but it would be cool to try it. I'm on the other end of the exhaust section, but here I also find something that I'm needing. I'm thinking about it. It's car ramps. Here they have a plastic car ramp. I don't know. I feel a little bit nervous. It probably strong, but still like plastic. I don't know. Here the classic one. The price is like what is the price that we have? $20 about for per ramp. And it's more like they're heavier, but I think we'll try it. I'll take two of these two. Finally, I have arrived at the big wall of take-it-yourself things. And here you have the different welding machines, and I'm thinking I'll go with the small one, the MiG 90. It's a 90 amps, I think. I think they would be good enough. The price is also very reasonable. $130 maybe. Let's buy it, and hopefully I will not be disappointed. Yeah, I think I'm starting to get finished. I have a lot of different things in here, but I will take one more time, go over to the real car design styling section and see if I can find something cool. Now I'm finished, for this store at least, Biltema. Now I'll try to take all of this and take it to my little Alfa over there. It's getting dirty again. And luckily it's a big boot trunk, so I can fit everything in it. Finally, I'm home again, and as you can see, I bought some things today too. I think I have a problem with, I always love to buy too much. I'm a shopping addict. Well, let's see, what did I buy? First of all, this is like a montage pasta. That is for when you're putting together exhaust pipes, and you know, you have this pasta in the joint. No, not joint, you know. Oh, I don't know the name in English, actually. But you know, you put it in and then it gets hard and, yeah, proceed it. Of course, I have my 91 centimeters of exhaust bandage. I will try to fix this on the leakage in my exhaust. Maybe it works or maybe it doesn't work. Give it a try. Silicone spray, of course, because now it's getting very cold in Sweden. No, it's always cold in Sweden, but now it's getting winter soon again. And my, what do you call it, bushings. You know, the rubber things that hold everything together and makes things less vibrations. They are starting to make a lot of sounds, like that. And I will try to use this silicone spray and make them, I don't know, more rubbery and soft again. Exhaust bandage for making less heat radiation. I will put this also. I don't have a sport car really, it's just an Alfa Romeo GT 2 liters, so it's not like a drag racer, but I'll take this and wrap it around the exhaust manifold and see if it does anything, just for fun. Of course I needed a very low price, 51 parts wrenches and you can see that on the picture, you know, standard kit. I need more because I can't use my brother has a lot of tools, but he's angry with me if I use too much of his tools. He's like, buy your own tools. Yes, I'll have to buy my own tools. Down here, of course, oh, that's it. We have the MiG. I need to do a video when I open this and try to use it too. So it will be fun to learn how to do welding. I have not done a welding for 30 years, I think, so it will be interesting. Everything's interesting, of course. And besides me here, you see, I have the carramps. Maybe this will be also an easier thing for me to, when I work with the car, to just drive up the back end and front end on these, and then I just jack up the other side. I'll try this. Because right now it's like, I really want to have a real lift, car lift, but I don't have, the ceiling's too low in the garage, and I think it will not work. But it would be nice because it takes a long time every time I need to jack up the car. It's like with four hydraulic jacks, and and I run around and try to level it up and then put under the tripods so it will be safe. Maybe this will make things go a little bit faster, I hope. Yeah, of course, two of these. Well, that was all for today. I don't know, hope you like this little silly video, and soon I will make another video. Finally, I can go out all the winter now in the garage, I hope. I want to do videos all the winter now because, I mean, it will be cold and dark and bad and, you know, Sweden. So, no, I hope I can make a lot of good videos. Until next time, goodbye.